Good morning mga Lods. It's now 4 o'clock a.m. MNL time and I'm here working. Anyways, I just want to share these thoughts, right? May nakita lang akong post and he was actually saying sorry to this person, and na-touch naman ako. Not because of his post, not because of him, dun sa pinagsasorian niya. I just want to share my thoughts about this. I mean, don't get me wrong, right? Hindi naman sa pagmamarunong. Come on, if you're gonna do something, think first. Because you're sorry don't mean nothing kung nagawa mo na. Miss me with that BS, Lahat tayo may common sense. Lahat na tayo mga mature dito or matatanda. So, think first before making a move or something, then say sorry later. Your sorry don't mean nothing. If I were you, common sense lang yan, man. So keep it to yourself. Huwag ka na mag-sorry, panindigan mo na yan. Sorry to say, bato-bato sa langit, tamaan man, huwag magagalit. It's a common sense thing. Tanongin mo muna sa sarili mo bago mo gawin. Masasaktan ko ba yung tao? There's a lot of chance baka yung tao hindi ka na, i-entertain or kasi nagawa mo na eh. So panindigan mo na lang, be a man about it. Kasi hindi mo pinag-isipan yung ginawa mo eh. So in this lifetime, Lords, bago kayo gumawa, pag-isipan nyo muna kung masasaktan nyo yung tao, kung makakasagasa kayo. Kasi at the end of the day, whatever you're gonna say, it's not gonna be anything. And there's a lot of chance mawawala pa yung tao sa buhay nyo. So, think about it first. Make sure if it's worth it or handa ka nang mawala yung tao na yun. If not, don't even think about it. Move on, do your thing, accept it, or whatever reasons you got. Because if you're gonna say sorry at the end, sorry to say, man, you're sorry again. It's not gonna be anything. All right, fellas, peace.